everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for a favorites video. If you have missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have them in a playlist linked down below for you guys, as well as all the items mentioned in this video in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's get started. Normally for my favorites, I try to go in somewhat of an order, but today I think I'm just gonna go for it and go through them. First up is a pair of sneakers. I got these from the Nike outlet, and they are just gray and white. I really like Nikes. If you've seen my previous videos related to my journey to becoming a medical assistant or any of my other college school related videos, you guys know that I really like the Nike Flex shoes. These are the latest Flex sneakers, and they are the Nike Flex Experience Running 7s. I just really like how comfortable they are. I like the way they fit. I like the way they look. I can wear them throughout the day without having any issues. I've never had an issue with my feet hurting, so if you're looking for a good pair of sneakers, I highly recommend these. Another favorite is a shirt, and this is just what it looks like, and this is from the Out of the Darkness walk I participated in this year. This was my third year participating in it, and this year I raised enough money to get a t-shirt, which I was so happy about. I raised the most money that I've ever raised out of the 3 years that I've done this, and it is just navy blue, and it just says walk to fight suicide, and then it just has the AFSP logo and the Out of the Darkness logo. Another product that I've been loving is this water bottle. I got it from Walmart. It is a Contigo metal insulated water bottle, and obviously it is pink. I absolutely love this. I have been using it every single day since I got it, and I think I got it back in June, I want to say, and I just haven't gotten around to doing a favorites video to include it. And I did get it on sale for like $11. I think normally it retails for $20, but let me tell you, it is worth the full price if you have to pay it. It is 24 ounces, and it keeps water cold for 24 hours. I can put ice in this in the morning, and the ice will still be in there, not fully obviously, but it'll still be in there, and the water will still be cold the next morning, which I absolutely love because I'm someone who loves drinking ice cold water. I also really like that it's the auto seal so it doesn't spill. On top of the fact that on the mouthpiece there's this little cover. I used this every single day when I was doing my externship, and this mouthpiece I absolutely loved because obviously working in healthcare there are a lot of germs, and this was just a little bit of an added barrier so that germs weren't getting in it. I also really enjoy that there is a handle because you can easily carry it around with you wherever you go, which is what I do. I pretty much bring this everywhere I go. A rather random product I've been loving is a Febreze spray. This is the Febreze Light Fabric Quick Dry Mist, and it is the lightly scented one, and basically this does what it says. It freshens up the smell of fabrics. I also just like spraying it all over my room because it'll make it smell really nice. It's just a really clean, fresh scent. Doesn't bother my asthma or anything. We also use it on like our couch and stuff, or if you have a piece of clothing that just smells funny but it's clean and you don't want to rewash it, like a fleece or something like that, you can spray this on. This stuff is great. Next up is probably one of my top favorites ever, and it is Grey's Anatomy. Specifically, right now I am in love with season 14. I am in love with it so much that I actually ordered it. I'm a huge Grey's Anatomy addict, which, speaking of Grey's Anatomy, I am gonna have a ton of Grey's Anatomy related videos coming out. I'm gonna be doing the Grey's Anatomy tag, my favorite Grey's Anatomy quotes, my top 10 favorite Grey's Anatomy episodes, my favorite Grey's Anatomy music. Also, I do have a Spotify playlist of music from Grey's Anatomy, like the actual songs that they play in the show. If you would like to go ahead and follow that, you can. I will have the link down below. But season 14 of Grey's Anatomy is by far my absolute favorite season. Literally every single episode is so good. If you have not caught up to season 14, there are going to be spoiler alerts coming up, so fast forward so that you aren't spoiled. But basically, in this season, Amelia is diagnosed with her tumor, Meredith wins her Harper Avery Award, Paul Stadler, who is Joe's soon-to-be ex-husband, is hit by a drunk driver and ends up dying. Bailey has her heart attack, Arizona has her breast cancer scare, and Owen goes with her. Richard loses his AA sponsor, Ollie. The Harper Avery scandal was announced. April is in a huge motor vehicle accident. Amelia takes Betty and Owen takes Leo. Alex and Joe get married, and it is the final season that April and Arizona are in, and let me tell you, I'm still mad that they're no longer on the show. This is by far the best season. There is no arguing about that. And like I I said, I will be doing a ton of Grey's Anatomy videos. If you also have any other Grey's Anatomy related videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below. I've also been loving the AviQ EpiPens. I think I featured these last year as well. As you guys can see, they fit in the palm of your hand, which is super nice because they can pretty much go anywhere with you. You can literally stick these in your jean pocket and have it with you. What's also really great about this is that the company that makes these, called Kaleo, offers free AviQs to those who can't necessarily afford them, even if you have insurance. I got these 100% free. I literally paid $0 for these and they shipped them right to my house. I highly recommend checking it out. But basically it's just an EpiPen, but it talks to you and gives you directions on how to use it. For example, you just pull this off.
This trainer contains no
and it starts talking. Then you pull the red part and then you press this on your thigh.
2, 1.
There you go. Obviously the real one would inject you. This is just the trainer. The real one has red. Also, what's great about the AviQs is there are 3 doses. For like kids is blue, and then they also have a lavender purple one, and that is for infants. Also, if you guys would like an updated what is in my allergy bag, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Going back to my externship and my medical assisting journey, another favorite of mine has definitely been my medical assisting pin. I was officially pinned back in August, and you get this little pin right here that says medical assistant. This is my lanyard that my ID is usually on. Obviously I took it off for the video because it has all my information on it. This is just a Vera Bradley lanyard. It's one of the more thick ones, and this pin kept falling off everything. I was wearing it on my scrubs for a while and it kept falling off, but I was able to get it on this and it is not going anywhere. But I really like that I have it. It's official that I'm a medical assistant. Speaking of which, I did take the CMA exam. I will have a video up on that next week, so stay tuned for that. I actually did a bunch of polls over on my Instagram on whether you guys thought I passed or not, and you're just gonna have to wait until that video to see if I did or not. This next favorite is super random, but it's a laminator, and this is just the Amazon Basics laminator. I think it was like $25, but I did get it on a day when they were having a sale, and I think I paid like $18 for it. Let me tell you, I've been obsessed with laminating things recently, and I don't know why, and this is probably hands down one of my best purchases of 2019. It works great. It's super easy to use. So my camera just went flying, and the angle has changed and the lighting has probably changed because it just took me about 20 minutes to get everything reset up and stuff. But on the topic of the laminator and Grey's Anatomy, I actually made my own laptop stickers. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to do it, let me know. A lot of people have been doing the whole trick where you use packing tape and lay a piece down on parchment paper and then another layer over it to seal it. I have another way of actually turning them into stickers. And my 2 last favorites are both beauty favorites. The first one is a cream. This is the Dr. Babor Hydro RX Hyaluron Cream. I absolutely love this. It is so moisturizing, and they actually sent this to me. I've worked with them before. I have talked about their facial mist here on my channel, and their skincare products are great. What's great about this is that it has a lightweight texture, but is so moisturizing and also locks moisture into your skin. This is going to be such a lifesaver during the winter this year, and this cream contains HY3 peptides along with a unique combination of low, medium, and high molecular hyaluronic acid plus natural biopolymers, which basically means it's a super hydrating, moisture locking cream. And if you work in healthcare or have been to the hospital or doctor, you guys know that the air is super dry. So this has definitely come in super handy. And again, like I said, it's going to be a lifesaver this winter. And I cannot say enough good things about this. Also, if you guys would like an entire updated skincare routine, be sure to let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do that. This product is definitely part of that. And lastly, on the same topic of a beauty product, the dry healthcare setting in winter, another product I have absolutely been loving is from Fresh. Again, this is a product that was sent to me by Fresh, and again, I have worked with them before. I worked with them back a few months ago on their lip treatment balms, and I also absolutely love this. This is a product I used back in high school and am starting to use again. It's just the Fresh Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment with SPF 15 in it, and it just looks like this. Back in high school, I believe I got the travel size one from Sephora for one of the birthday gifts one year, and I used it up and I absolutely loved it. Again, this is great for the healthcare setting because one, it is super dry and this is super moisturizing. Also, in healthcare, you are essentially convinced to wear minimal amounts of makeup, and what's great about this is that it does have a little bit of a tint to it, so if you are someone who really enjoys wearing makeup every day, this is a great product. And these are my lips with with the lip treatment on. I love the way it smells, and this is another product that's going to be great for this winter when it's dry out because it is super moisturizing. It also has the SPF 15, which means your lips will be protected from the sun no matter what. So those are just my favorites for the month of September. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what your favorites are in the comments down below. If you guys would like me to continue doing these favorites, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love if you would become part of our little family here on YouTube, as well as hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you guys get a notification. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!